Hi and welcome to Chef's Review. In this episode I want to show you a vertical grill from Royal Catering. So I'll prepare some chicken skewers just to show you how versatile this device is. So in the set you will have the drip tray, the main rod and all the components that hold the skewers, so the holders and the metal skewers. Nice to mention, there is a special twist on the skewer, so once they're roasted on one side you can just simply turn them around so they color on the other side. Okay, so let me just quickly close this one. By the way, the cover is made of special hardened glass, so it's really solid. And this all brings me to a very useful feature, namely the on and off switch. As you can see, you can turn it to half power and full power. So the device works with 1800 watts. So by turning it to half power, it works just with 900, so it saves some energy. Why would you need it? Well, let's say your business is not that busy in the morning and you don't need to be that quick. So why wasting money and electricity when you can turn it to half power? When it gets slightly busier, you can turn it to full power and the device will go with all 1800 watts. You still need to set the timer. The timer can be set between 0 and 60 minutes and the device will not start until you set the time. Alright, included in this set are also the two roasting trays. When you put them inside you have three roasting trays, so you can do, let's say, meat or fish on the top one, some vegetables on the middle one, and let's say potatoes on the last one. It's up to you how you organize it. There's also these two clamps, so when you put it on the main rod you can put a whole chicken in it and roast it. There's also this chrome grillage. This when you put on the main rod you can put a whole piece of fish in it, maybe meat, anything you can fit inside you can roast. And that brings me to a very interesting feature. You can combine some of those. So let's say if you want to have a complete dish, you can put some chicken in this one, some vegetables in the roasting tray, or underneath or above, it's up to you, and you'll have a complete dish. The main rod also can be used as a kebab skewer. So where I would see it? I would see it in a small cafe, a bistro, a food truck, and I think it looks good enough to put in your home kitchen. So very versatile, very useful. On the website, you might want to check it out. You will find a variety of those grills in different sizes, different shapes, different powers. With the device, the producer gives you a 3-year warranty, so should anything happen to it, just send it back, they'll fix it for you, you get it back in no time. And you get it in a box like this one. So double cardboard with lots of packaging material in it, really solid, so nothing should happen to it during transport. So let me just quickly summarize it. Well, first of all, it looks good, good enough for your home, good enough for your business. It works well and it's easy to use. In my book, definitely good enough. So, if you like the video, just leave us a comment in the comment section what other equipment you want me to test and I'll do it for you. I thank you guys very much for watching and I see you next time.